how to move investments from stash to another broker. Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to transferring your investments from your stash account to another brokerage. The process is straightforward, especially if your new broker supports ACATS or the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. The first thing you need to do is contact your new brokerage firm. Let them know that you want to transfer assets from your stash account. Most brokers will have a dedicated transfer process or form. Make sure you provide all necessary account details when prompted. Next, log into your stash account and gather the required information. This typically includes your account number, account type, and recent statements. You'll need this to complete the transfer request accurately. With all your stash details in hand, complete the transfer from your new broker. Double-check all information for accuracy. Once done, submit the request and wait for it to be processed. Transfers usually take about 5 to 7 business days, so during this time, keep an eye both of your stash and new broker's account. If there is any delays or issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support. Before initiating the transfer, check if your new broker charges a transfer fee. Also, note that stash may charge a fee to move your assets out. Finally, ensure there are no pending trades or activities in your stash account to avoid complications.